design philosophy at Innovative is to create very elegant, simple solutions.
The products need to be functional, and out of the function can come beauty.
We wanted something that was eye-catching, that was going to work well in someone's environment, that looked absolutely outstanding.
I would say that we set outrageous goals for our design team to meet with the redesign of EVO.
We designed this monitor arm from the ground up, keeping a special focus on the function of the arm. We wanted to make sure that it worked perfectly.
Innovative launched EVO in 2006. Up to that point, Innovative was known in the industry as a leader in mechanical design and the mechanical engineering of our mounting solutions. That was the point at which the company introduced industrial design into the equation and incorporated more of an aesthetic approach.
We looked at how people interact with their office space, how people appreciate ergonomics and how it's needed, and how they actually work in their office environment. So the company started with years of research on how we could create a monitor arm to address those needs.
Innovative won a number of design awards for EVO, including the Red Dot Design Award, a prestigious European prize.
Innovative created this arm because the first generation arm was so successful. We wanted to push ourselves even further and see how far we could take it.
The goals for EVO were really about keeping the design very simple. We wanted a clean look, we wanted clean lines, and we wanted a product that really caught your attention. We really wanted to keep it at a price point that was market acceptable.
The original design intent was to create a product which would be a slice of silver.
This arm is so special because it addresses not only form and function. It's a beautiful and elegant arm.
There's a gorgeous chrome finish which will pick up the tones of any workspace.
If you look at the product, it really stands out. It catches your attention, it draws you in, and then you start using the product and you realize that it's a very well-designed product.
Our designers not only figured out how to meet the goals, but they actually surpassed our expectations for the product.
There's some really great features with EVO right out of the box. The mount is toolless. You can clamp it right to the desk and then plug the monitor arm into it. There's a quick adaptive VESA star that attaches to the back of the monitor that can attach into the monitor arm itself. And then from there you can rotate it 90 degrees from landscape to portrait depending on how you want to use it. All of the joints are very well designed and engineered, so the product moves very smoothly and it works with you.
The most noticeable feature that is the cable management that we put inside. We studied how people actually use their monitors and how they move it and how the cables have to be repositioned in different positions with the monitor. You'll notice that the cable managers are clear, so they're hidden, and the cables get tucked up underneath the arm.
The major breakthrough that we made in the design of the new version of EVO was the invention of a new counterbalance mechanism.
What we did is we eliminated the gas strut completely. Our engineering team came up with a spring mechanism that was attached to a cam, and as the arm moves up and down, the spring compresses around that cam. What that allows for is the arm to be truly counterbalanced in all of its range of motions.
So once you set it up for the weight of the monitor, it's good to go for a really long time. EVO is very green. It's a very durable, well-designed product. It will last a very long time, so you won't need to replace it for a while.
This arm is comprised of steel, aluminum, and plastic components, which all can be easily recycled.
When you do need to replace it, it can be broken down into its individual components very easily. All of those components, 99% of those can be recycled. It's also made out of 37% recycled components to begin with. We tested EVO to 30,000 cycles, so that's many years of extensive use out in the market.
People intuitively understand the importance of working in a position which is comfortable, which enables you to be more productive and avoid repetitive stress injuries. A product like EVO certainly accomplishes those goals in that you can position the monitor where you need it.
The arm addresses also collaboration. If you have two people sitting there, you can move the monitor back and forth to share a screen.
Companies want to make efficient use of their office space. Desks are getting smaller, and we're trying to get more and more done in less and less space. A product like EVO frees up your desk space by getting the stand off your desk, and now you can use that space for productive use during the day. The arm works extremely well, which means that people will be more prone to actually use it as intended.
We gave ourselves tight constraints and we met every single one of those requirements.
We really wanted to concentrate on the simplicity and the beauty out of function.
And overall, people are going to love this product.